friends, welcome to Career Hacks, and this is Preeti back again with amazing tricks. Friends, in our previous video we have discussed how to find out the squares of particular numbers like just more than 100 and just less than 100 and the numbers having 5 as a unit digit within seconds. Yes, actually to find the squares within seconds is very necessary thing, especially for the bank pay exams and I think almost all the competitive exams if you are going to fight. So these tricks are very helpful in these exams. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you few tricks how to find out the squares of the numbers near about the 50, and also from 0 to 100 you can find out the square of any number within seconds. So let's get started. So our first trick, as we have discussed, our first trick is numbers less than 50. Now, in case of 50, first of all, you have to make one golden number, that is 25. Middle number we will take, that is 25. Now, let's take one example. Let's take as 48, square of 48. Suppose if we have to find out the square of 48, now we have to see how much it is less than 50. 48 is 2 less than 50. Now this number 2, we have to do the square of this 2. So write down here square of 2, that is 4. Now this 2, 48 is 2 less than 50, so this 2 will be minus, subtracted from this number 25. Earlier in 100 we have subtracted it from 100, but in this video, but in case of 50 we will subtract this 2 from 25. So 25 minus 2, that is 23. So this is the square of 48. Now let's take one more example. For example, we have to find out the square of 47. Now how much it is less than 50? It is 3 less than 50. So right here 3. Now we will do the square of 3. So square of 3 is 9 and we will subtract this 3 out of 25. So that is 22. So this is the square of 47. Now let's take one more example. That is suppose 43, square of 43. Now how much it is less than 50? It is 7 less than 50. Now square of 7, that is 49, and subtracting 7 from 25, so 15 minus 7, that is 8, so 1 here. So this is the square of 43. See, within seconds you can find out the square of the numbers just less than 50. Now suppose the numbers are just more than 100. Numbers just more than 100 for sorry, not more than 100, more than 50. More than 50 means 51 to 59 in a very easy manner. So let's take one again. We have to take our golden number, that is 25. Now let's take one example. For example, we have to find out the square of 52. Now how much it is more than 50? It is 2 more than 50. So we have to write down the square of 2, that is 4, and here we will add this 2 into 25. So 25 plus 2, that is 27. So this is the square of 52. Let's take one more example. Suppose 57 square. Now how much it is more than 50? It is 7 more than 50. So we will do the square of the 7, that is 49, and again the 7. Now here 7 will be added to the 25. So 7 and 5, 32. So this is the square of 57. So in a very easy manner you can find out the squares of the numbers just less than 50 and more than 50. Now I am going to tell you the trick. That is very important trick, third number. In this trick you can find out the square of any number from 0 to 100. Yes, any number So let's take a random number that is 37. Suppose we have to find out the square of 37. Now look here very carefully. In this case, what we have to do, look at these two numbers 3 and 7. We will write the squares of both the numbers. So the square of 3 is 9 and the square of 7 is 7 sevens are 49. Now in the middle, what we will do is we will multiply all the three numbers. This 3, 7 and this 2 here. So 3 into 7 into 2. So again we will write this 49 as it is, and 3 sevens are 21, 21 twos are 42, and again this 0 and 9. Now what we will do, we will take the first digit of this number. This is 49, so we will take this number 9. Now this 4 will be added to this middle number, means carry forward. So 42 plus 4, that is 46. So 6 will come here and this 4 will be carried forward, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So 1369 is the square of 37. It is very easy. Let's take one more random example, that is 43. Square of 43. Now square of 43 can be find out by that trick also, that is less than 50 trick, but we can find out this with the help of this trick also. So let's do. Again, square of 4, that is 16. 4 4s are 16, sorry. Now 3 3s are 9 will come here. Now again we will multiply all these three numbers. So 4 into 3 into 2. So 9, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and here 16. Now this 9 will come as it is, and now 24 as a 0 is here. So the first digit is 9. 9 will come as it is here. No carry forward. Now 24 means first digit is 4. So 4 will come as it is here, and 16 plus 2 is 18. So this is the square of 43. Now let's take one more random example, that is 72. Again 72. Now again the same thing. One minute, let me clear all these things. Now let's take let's take a random example again with the same trick, that is 72. Now square of 2, that is 4, square of 7, that is 49, and multiplying all these numbers, 7 into 2 into 2. So this 04 will come as it is, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, and this 49 will come as it is. Now 4 as it is the first digit, this 0 will go forward but no addition will be there, so first digit is 8. Now this 2 will be carried forward, and here it will come 49 plus 2, that is 51. So this is the square of 72. Let's take one more example, square of 82. So it is very simple and very easy. Just concentrate. Square of 8, that is 64, and square of 2, that is 4. Again 8 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 64 here, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and this 04. Now again first digit will come as it is, 2 will come here, and 64 and 3, that is 67. So this is the square of 82. So these were the very simple manner, easy trick. Within seconds you can find out the squares from 0 to 100, and if the numbers are just nearby the 100, you can find out by those tricks which I have given in my previous video. And if the numbers are just nearby 50, then also you can find out. And if you don't know all the tricks, still you can find out with the help of these tricks from 0 to 100 each and every square. So use these tricks. You can use any random number, and if you are having any kind of doubt regarding these tricks, please comment me in the commenting box, so I would solve your problem in future. So don't panic from maths. Maths is very easy and very interesting subject. So just enjoy your maths, practice it, and ask me in the commenting box. Thanks for watching.